everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your insurance agency. So I am an owner of an insurance agency and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I want is that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically all the details of that lead should be added into my Google Sheets. For that, we need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, to start an automation process, we need trigger and actions. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be Google Sheets. If you want to learn how to create this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your insurance agency. So I am an owner of an insurance agency, that is Elite Sure Insurance, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I want is that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the details of that lead should be transferred and added into my Google Sheets. For that, we need to create an automation between Google Sheets and Facebook lead ads with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account as I am an existing user. After that, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 functions of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then you can see the Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to the dashboard, for starting an automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, we are going to create a workflow by clicking on the top right corner button right over here, that is Create Workflow. Then a dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Elite Sure Insurance Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. If you want, you can give a name as per your requirement to your workflow. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I am going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, we are going to click on this drop down right over here. You can see these are the folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I am going to select Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automation as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After that, we are going to click on Create to create a workflow. Our workflow is created in the name of Elite Sure Insurance Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 steps. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we are going to set up our trigger step. For that, we are going to click on this arrow right over here. As it is asking for us to choose our trigger application, in the introduction, I've already told you that a trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads. And for the trigger event, we are going to select it as new lead instead. For the trigger event, we have selected it as new lead instant because every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, as you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After that, we are going to click on Connect in order to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you, on which we are going to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. On a new tab, I have already logged in to my Facebook account. So it will make the process of connecting Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect much easier. So remember to log into your Facebook account beforehand. After that, we are going to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. Then you can see we have successfully authorized Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After that, you can see it is asking for the page. So in my Facebook account, I have created a page for my business in the name of Elite Sure Insurance. And I will be promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of this page. So for the page, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Insurance. After selecting the page, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form in the name of Elite Sure Lead Ads form. So for the lead gen form, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Lead Ads form. If you want to learn how to create your own lead gen form, then you can check out our YouTube channel. After that, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As you can see over here, now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead. For that, we are going to open the lead ads testing tool. And with the help of the test lead that we are generating right now, we are going to check whether Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads are connected successfully or not. So this is the lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate a test lead. If you want to learn how to have the access of this page, then you can check out our YouTube channel. Firstly, it is asking for the page. So for the page, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Insurance. After selecting the page, we are going to select the form. So for the form, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Lead Ads form. After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on Preview Form. As you can see, this is the form that I've created and it is asking for all these details like first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we are going to fill in all the details. Firstly, for the first name, I'm going to write it as demo. For the last name as account 123. For the email as demoaccount123@pabblytools.com. For the phone number, dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, we are going to click on next. And then on submit to submit the form. As over here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response or not. And yes, over here you can see Pabbly Connect has captured the response. For the first name it says demo, last name as account123, email as demoaccount123@pabblytools.com. For the phone number, dummy mobile number and some other details. So this means that we successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. As it is asking for us to choose our action application. In the introduction, I've already told you that our action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets. After that, for the action event, I'm going to select it as Add New Row. We have selected our action event as Add New Row because every time a new lead will be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the details of that lead should be transferred into my Google Sheets and a new row should be added. After that, I'm going to click on Connect in order to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. A new window will then appear in front of you on which I'm going to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we are going to click on Sign in with Google. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. So I'm going to click on Allow as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly and completely safe with Pabbly Connect. As you can see, we have successfully authorized Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for us to select a spreadsheet. So in my Google Sheets, I have created a spreadsheet in the name of Elite Sure Insurance Customers Data. And I want that whenever a new Facebook lead will be generated, automatically all the data of that lead should be captured into this Google Sheets and a new row should be added. So for this spreadsheet, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Insurance Customers Data. After that, it is asking for us to select a sheet. So in my spreadsheet, I've created a single sheet in the name of Sheet 1. So for the sheet, I'm going to select it as Sheet 1. After that, it is asking for the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So in my spreadsheet, I have created 4 fields as first name, last name, email and phone number. And I want that every time a new lead will be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the data of that lead should be transferred into my Google Sheets and it should be transferred under these 4 fields. So what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from a previous trigger step. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to click right over here. As you can see, this is the previous step, that is Facebook lead ads new lead instant. So now I'm going to click on this arrow right over here and you can see this is a response that was captured in our previous trigger step. As we want the data for the first name, I'm going to select the data for the first name right over here. As I mapped this data, the data over here now has become dynamic. That means every time a new response will be captured in our trigger step, automatically the data over here will be updated according to the new response. After that, it is asking for the last name. We are going to map the data again. We are going to click right over here. This is the previous response. I'm going to click right over here. As you want the data for the last name, I'm going to map the data for the last name. After that, it is asking for the email. We are going to map the data again. Click right over here. Click over here. You want the data for the email? We are going to map it. Lastly, for the phone number, we are going to map the data again. Click right over here. click over here. We want the data for the phone number. I'm going to map it. And as we have completed mapping all the data over here now has become dynamic and it will be updated according to the new response captured in our trigger step. After filling all the details, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As you can see right over here, the response that we got is positive. So now I'm going to go back to my Google Sheets and I'm going to check whether the new lead that we generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, the data of that lead is transferred in my Google Sheets or not. For that, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. And yes, as you can see right over here, the data from the lead that was generated with the help of Facebook lead ads is successfully transferred into our Google Sheets. For the first name, it says demo, last name as account123, email as demoaccount123@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets. But now for all of you guys, I'm going to submit another test lead and we're going to check whether the data of that lead is transferred into our Google Sheets or not. For that, we are going to open the lead ads testing tool. Again, as you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool. It says over here you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So as I've already created a lead with the help of this form, we need to delete that existing lead. For that, we have to click on delete lead. As over here you can see it says your lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to refresh the page. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you are not going to do that, you will not be able to generate another test lead with the help of this form, because only you can create one lead per form. Firstly, it is asking for the page. So for the page, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Insurance. After that, for the form, I'm going to select it as Elite Sure Lead Ads Form. After selecting the page in the form, I'm going to click on Preview Form. So as you can see, this is the form that I've created. It is asking for all these details, so I'm going to fill it. So as you can see, I've filled all the details for the first name as demo, last name as user111, email as demouser111@pabblytunes.com, phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, we are going to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. As you can see over here, it says your test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my Google Sheets and I'm going to check whether the lead that we have generated right now, the data of that lead is transferred into our Google Sheets or not. For that, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. And yes, as you can see, the data is successfully transferred into my Google Sheets. For the first name as demo, last name as user111, email as demouser111@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of an insurance agency, that is Elite Sure Insurance, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I wanted was that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically all the data of that lead should be transferred into my Google Sheets. For that, we have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. To start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. I've created a workflow in the name of Elite Sure Insurance Facebook Leads to Google Sheets. After that, we have to set up a trigger and action step. For the trigger application, I've taken it as Facebook lead ads, and for the trigger event as new lead instant. That means every time a new lead will be generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After that, for our action step, we have taken our action application as Google Sheets and our action event as Add New Row. That means every time a new lead will be generated in our Facebook lead ads and a response is captured in our Pabbly Connect, automatically all the response will be transferred into our Google Sheets and a new row will be added. So this is how we create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video. So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.